Hey, if you want to enable notifications from your phone and want to receive them on the Galaxy Watch 7, first of all, open the Galaxy Wearable application. Now you will have to start scrolling and you will have to go into the watch settings, then go into the notifications, open app notifications, and then you can allow all notifications from every app by clicking right here. But below we can also find phone notifications, so also be sure that you enable them with the switcher. If you want to avoid receiving notifications from specific application, like for example, I don't want to get notifications from Google TV and Google Wallet from my phone to the watch, so I can just click on the switchers to get rid of them. Also, it's worth to show the phone notifications, show alerts when the phone not in use, or you can switch to show alerts even when the phone in use. So it means that, for example, when you turn on the screen of your phone and, for example, go into the second room, you will still receive notification on your watch. But if you stay with this first option and the screen was unlocked, you will don't receive notification on your watch. So be sure that you actually switch for the second option. Also be sure that you turn off this mute notifications on phone. And when you go for the advanced notifications, I can recommend you to enable this option to turn on the screen of the watch when you receive notification. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.